Hello Biodroga family, today I want to talk about two products who sit side by side now in the line, and this is, here we have our Perfect Age formula in Bioscience, and then we have our multi-action, our new multi-action rejuvenating cream in Medical. Now I want you to look at two things. Look at the color stripe, they're both purple. Now this isn't an accident. This is because these two lines really sit side by side as the Bioscience version and the Medical version for skins that are beginning and going through and post hormonal changes in the skin. And guess what? These are our key customers. Why have we developed a Medical version? Because there are those customers who want fragrance-free and can tolerate something a little bit more powerful and more active-driven. Both care products help and support skins going through hormonal changes. Let's talk about Perfect Age first. In this we have tripeptide 2, which we know is a brilliant collagen and elastin boosting peptide. We have hyaluronic acid. We have vitamin E to help as for protecting against free radicals, and we have the monk's pepper extract that helps with radiance in the skin. This product has a very light, delicate fragrance and is perfect for those clients that would like to feel sort of something lovely, smell something lovely on their skin. What about that client who doesn't want fragrances and tolerate something just a little bit stronger? We now have our multi-action cream. Guess what? It has the same peptide as in Perfect Age, tripeptide 2. I think the best peptide at collagen elastin boosting. What does it then have? It has niacinamide. Niacinamide helps with that glow in the skin, that barrier enforcing, and that is really the Medical ingredient that compares to the monk's pepper extract in the Perfect Age format. It has hyaluronic acid, and it also has the ginger butterfly extract, which is the powerful free radical scavenger. So let's put them side by side. Both have tripeptide 2, collagen and elastin boosting. This product has the monk's pepper extract for radiance. This product has niacinamide for radiance. Both have lots of hyaluronic acid. This product has vitamin E for free radical scavenging. This one has butterfly extract for free radical scavenging. Both products are really, beautiful formulas. We now have been able to make sure that all of our Medical formulas feel as good as our Bioscience formulas. The way I would recommend these to customers is get them to try something on their hand. Put the multi-action here, get them to experience that, and the Perfect Age to experience that. They will tell you which one they want. If they go, oh I want this one, we know they're the Perfect Age customer. And this one, they're not really that interested in fragrance, doesn't really bother them, then go this. They are both priced at the same price. We have done that to make sure that no customer is disadvantaged. We want all of those customers using these products. These two should be staples, because we know these particular customers who are going through hormonal challenges in their skin. They are the Biodroga customers. So any questions below? I'm going to put a PDF comparing the two lines, and if there's any questions, let me know. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.